Hey y'all, what's up? So, y'all know, right? Today, I had wearing, the little earrings, such, and bam! I thought, why not play a prank on Monster? I'm gonna do the acting Ratchet prank. So, I saw this, I said, let me get this, and let me play a prank on him, the acting Ratchet prank. And I said, what better color to get than his favorite color? Like, his favorite color. So I'm gonna put this wig on. Hopefully it's not too bad. Do I need a wig at? Yeah, this is some big. It's nice and soft. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's nice. I'm gonna be colorful. People gonna be looking at me like I'm quick, but I'm gonna be colorful. I don't know how I'm gonna get this over. Wait, let me put this up for real. I don't know how to get this over my little. I think that should work. I think that should work. Should that work? Okay. Wait, what a thing at for the wig? Wait, what a thing at for the put the wig on? Wait, I got a big piece. Wait, is this a bang? It's a bang. Wait, it's not coming here. Wait, how does this go? Y'all could tell I don't wear no wigs. Oh, the wig slipped, yeah. The wig slipped. Okay. Wig on the face, yeah. How does this even go? Wait, how does this go? Oh, we got a bang. Oh, that's why it's like that. It got a bang. Hold on, y'all. It got a bang. Okay. People gonna be looking at me like I'm crazy. Okay, yeah, that's as far as I can get it. But hold on, these people gonna look at me like I'm crazy, yeah. They looking real crazy. That's as far as I can get it. Y'all see the little bag? As far as I can get over my little head, my big old head. Okay, y'all. Alright, y'all. We'll go back when we see his reaction.
2,000 years later.
Okay, guys, I'm back. Let me fix my little wig. I think it's on me. Wait, is this right? No. Yeah, I could tell. I think I got it. It's the bang. It's the bangs for me. Yeah, I think. The bangs in my face. The bangs in my face, yeah. The bangs in my face. The bangs in my face, yeah. Ooh, this wig. Ooh. This wig's. I think I might call myself LaQuisha. Yeah, I think LaQuisha works. Yeah, I think LaQuisha works. It works. I think it's this little tiny hair right here. It's in my face. Yeah, it's in my face. This thing hot, but I like my wig. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. I think it's cute. Yeah. Hey, get this first, okay? I'm home. Hey. So cute. My little wig. I'm home, babe. You like it? Hey, babe. How you doing? You like it? It's so cute. So cute.
What, you the woman of the night?
Yes, I am. So cute.
You don't take that wig off looking like Tina Turner back up singer.
Don't be doing me, okay? This is my new wig.
Wait, don't what?
Don't be doing me. Okay? This is my new wig.
You going to jail for that.
This is my
They
new
gotta
wig.
lock you up.
They can't lock me up. It's beaut, y'all. It's beaut. It's beaut. It's beaut. It's beaut.
You is what?
It's
Is this you?
Yes, it's me. Stop it. It's me. It's nice and strong.
Let me see.
It's me. just dropped my wig? It was a prank. Y'all, he just dropped my wig. He dropped my wig.
Keep on burning. And we're rolling, rolling, rolling on the river.
Okay, guys, because he do too much. He always throwing my wig on the floor. Y'all know how much hard work. Y'all seen me put that wig on? But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring that little bell.